Hello everybody, today I am going to explain about Pythagoras theorem. Children, here you can see I have written the theorem of the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? The square of the hypotenuse of the triangle is equal in area to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. So can you notice here I have written the triangle ABC. So which is the right triangle here? B. So what is the opposite to the right triangle? AC. AC is called as the hypotenuse. So here we can say that the Pythagoras theorem deals only with the right triangles. I have written here, taken the three sides, that is A, B and C. In this triangle, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So here we can notice that what is AB is equal to? AB is equal to 3 square and BC is equal to 4 square. That is equal to x square. That means when you take the square of 3, we get 9, and we take the square of 4, we get 16. So 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 25, and take the square root of 25, we will be getting x. By this triangle we can understand that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So what is the answer we are deriving after we work out this Pythagoras theorem formula? 5. So here first we are getting AB is equal to 3, BC is equal to 4 and AC is equal to 5. So that means that after 3 we are getting 4, then continuously 5. So what is Pythagoras theorem? I have already explained about that. So what kind of problems do we come across in the exams? See, such type of problems where I have worked out here, this type of problems you will be getting in the exams. So this is the basic for all the theorems where you have to understand. Whatever theorems will be coming in further, you have to understand about the Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem deals with this important formula. So what is that formula? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. When you are thorough with this, you can surely work out the Pythagoras theorem and work out all the problems which are come under the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.